Good evening, folks. We are live at 9:09 p.m. and we are running a big mini, a 9-winner mini for Mike's 8-pack mailer, which is awesome. There's 100 spots here in the mini that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Top 9 win spots in the main on this one, so there's a lot of spots getting thrown around here. There they are, 1 through 100. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got our 5, which means we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we get right to it. Chris takes round 1 in the top spot. Alex round 2. And round 3. And round 4, which means our winners are Mark, Sheldon in second, Sean, Sheldon again, Michael, Steve, David, Scott, and Len. Those, big list. Those are our top 9. Congratulations, guys. Here's our official results. BTDCWD. There you have them. Which means, folks, that I am done at 9:11 p.m. There she is. Again, here's our official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks.